Hey guys, it's your favorite girl Alicia Handles It, and I'm back with another video. So in this video today, it's a part 2 of the last video that I have up. This is a wig, a shortcut pixie cut wig that I made, colored. Now I'm installing it, and I'm also about to cut it. So I'm just starting off with my razor, cutting lightly. Don't want to go too fast, too deep, because this is a wig. So you got to take your time, take it easy, and just do it real slight. If you want to know how to make a pixie cut wig from scratch, start to finish, and also cut it, I will link the video below so you can see the full video of how to make this wig. So I would like to say hey to all the handlers, how everyone's doing. Love you guys so much. Thanks for all the support. Trying to get to 10,000. All the subscribers that has recently subscribed, thank you so much. And if you're new here, my name is Alicia Handles It, and what I do on my channel is unboxings, tutorials, how-tos, cutting, finger waves, how to make wigs, anything that has to do with beauty. You're in the right place. Just hit that subscribe button and join the squad, and I'll love on you over here. So I just wanted to add that you guys noticed that I wet the hair. The reason why I wet the hair is because I can see how the hair is laying and the hair is not flying all over the place, sticking east, west, north, and south. I can have more control over the hair when it's moist and has a little, moisture to it. As you guys can see right now in the video, look how it's laying. It's looking like you can wear it like this actually. This is why I wet the hair. I don't always wet the whole head. As you guys noticed, if you didn't, I didn't wet the back when I was cutting it, but I do wet the longer parts. And if it sounds like I'm whispering, it's very early in the morning and my voice is so raspy, so guys, just bear with me. I'm trying to get these videos out. I took a break, which was well needed, and I'm back on it. So I'm up early in the morning getting these videos out for you. So guys, just pay attention. Remember to leave a like on the video to get me out there in these algorithms. Leave a comment below if you have any questions about what's going on here. Like I said, I'm going to drop everything in the description box. And don't forget to like the video. And we must remember that this is a wig, so we cannot go in like how we would go in with as if it was a quick weave. So install, cut, color, and style is done. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave an E for effort in the comment section. If you watched up until this point, I'll be giving shout outs soon. So hopefully you'll hear your name. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Mwah.